What's going on YouTube? Vonte Vision here, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make an Instagram template like this one right here. So the first thing that you want to do, make a new project for this. For me, I already edit the music video, and within that music video I already have my library set up, so I try and keep everything in that same library. So I just create a new project within that. So then I'll make my new project, and then you want to call it your Instagram clip. Save it. What I like to do is I like to keep everything as is. I don't change anything yet. Then you want to drag in your music video. Okay, so what you want to do after your music video is onto your timeline, you want to find some of your favorite moments that you would want to use in your Instagram preview. So for the sake of saving time, I've already done that already, and I'm going to use them, but I want to show you how to do it very simply, just because if this is your first time doing this, you may not have this option already available. So for instance, this shot right here I really like. What I want to do is I want to go up to File, I want to go to Share, and I'm going to go to Save Current Frame. Now if this is your first time, like I said, you probably don't have this option already, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So you click Add Destination, and right there you'll see Save Current Frame, and you want to do that so now it's on your destinations. So once you're done and you want to, now that option is there, you click down to Share, Save current frame, you save it, put it in a certain file, and as you see I already have it, so it won't let me do it. But so after you saved your frames and you got 5 or 6 different frames to play with, then you want to go into the next step. And the next step, you want to click on the window, then you want to click on project priorities, then right here you want to click on modify, and this is when you begin to change things. So then you want to click down on video, click on custom, and then all you gotta do is switch it to 1080 by 1080 and click OK. So now you'll see that the video is now different and ready for Instagram. We just need to put our clips in there. So now, like I said, I have my clips already ready right here. After you've dumped your screenshots on here, all you gotta do is click on it, and we want to adjust the size so we can have it up here and down there. So let's play with the first one. Up here on the Y, you want to adjust this. I'm going to take this clip and I'm going to scroll it up, and as you can see when I play the music video, the clip is right there. So you want to stretch the clip out, and this is something I also do with Instagram. Instagram allows you to have a full minute, but you can also bore somebody within that minute. Like, you want people to go from Instagram to YouTube, so some people don't even put Instagram clips at all, because you kind of defeat the purpose. People watch the whole music video sometimes on Instagram and never go to YouTube. So to each his own, but that's something to think about. I preferably don't always use a whole minute. Sometimes I use 30 seconds, sometimes I use 10 seconds, sometimes whatever I feel like the song and whatever is going to attract the most attention. That's what I feel like is the most important. Okay, so now stretch both these clips out. Then all you gotta do, this one's already set. Then on the bottom one, I already have them stacked up. All you gotta do is on the Y axis, I'm gonna scroll this one down. So I really like how this one looks, because the colors are from the same scene and the lighting was the same, and it looks like it matches. And sometimes when you're putting these clips on there, they don't match, and I think that's when you need to play around with it a little bit more and go back possibly to the last step and get another clip, because you want them to look clean, you want to look professional, and that's important. So now, as you can see, the Instagram clip is kind of coming together. So then all you gotta do, go over to some titles and start dropping that on. I just click on some basic titles, you know, Take this. So you always want to put that it was directed by you. I feel like as videographers, sometimes we don't get enough credit where credit is due. So I say always make sure you put your name on your Instagram preview, because those will be shared. Like, these Instagram previews are all over Instagram, and you want your name to be attached to it. People are not going to tag you. So what I like to do is I'll do directed by, I'll highlight it, go down here. This is my favorite font that I use, and on Vonte Vision I highlight that as well. And this is something that maybe you didn't know in Final Cut Pro that you can do, and you can highlight the names and you can customize them differently and with different fonts, different colors, different everything. So then you want to highlight your director name, you want to scroll down to face, click on show, and then click on color, and I want to go for a certain color. I want to go for yellow. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to keep that. I like how that looks down there. I'm done with the bottom part. Now you want to move up. What I do to be a little bit more faster is I click on things and I hold down option and I duplicate them. And now I have two of these, and I'm just going to scroll this one up. So I like to have the artist name first. So I'm going to delete this. Nicofasho. And also, shout out to Nico. Everybody go check out our music video that we did, something on my YouTube channel. And also just check out Nicofasho's music on Apple Music. Then you want to duplicate that. Click down here, duplicate it, click right here. And the song is called something. And so you want that to pop out. So I have a bunch of fonts, but the one I already know I'm going to go with is right here. And I'm going to blow this up a little bit. I don't want it to look the same as the artist name because I want it to pop out. I want it to be different. Then I want to play with the color because, like I said, I want this name to pop out. And since I have yellow, what I like to do sometimes is play with the colors. And I think yellow and blue and purple go really well together. So something like that is pretty cool. I think this one's cool. I'll leave it like that. Scroll back up. I want to resize it, make it a little bit larger. Okay, now what I like to do is add one more title in there, and this title is a very simple one, and this one's just going to be official music video. And on this one, I don't want to have a different font. I want it to be the same as the artist name and the directed by. I want the fonts to be the same. I don't really want to play too much with fonts. I don't want don't use 4 different fonts in your Instagram preview. It'll just throw people off. Yeah, and we're just about done here. And as you can tell, I'll let you give a little preview. And it looks pretty good. I like how everything looks. And once you're done, go ahead and go over here, click on share, file share, and then you want to 1080 export, and then save it to wherever need be. So that's it, guys. I want you guys to charge artists for this. This is something that is not required, and artists need to pay for this. An artist, when you get done with the music video, sometimes I get asked, where's the Instagram clip? And you have to explain to them that they didn't pay for it. Or sometimes you can give it to them just because out of the strength, or maybe you took too long with the edit and you want to just say, here you go. But this is something that you need to be breaking down. This takes more time. So hey, charge. So I don't know, man, I'm rambling here. I don't know how this video is going to come out. I hope you guys did like it. I hope you guys learned from it. I hope this video is not too long. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, consider subscribing. I am Vonte Vision, and until the next time, see you guys later. Peace.